Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today we discuss objectives of operations management. There are mainly objectives of operations management categorized into two types. The first one is customer service and second one is resource utilization. So these are the two main objectives of operations management. First of all, we have to discuss about first objective, customer service. Customer service means the service for the satisfaction of customer wants. So customer service is the service for satisfaction of customer wants. Customer service is the key objective. So it's a key objective of operations management. Okay. To satisfy the customer in terms of cost and timing. Satisfy the customer in terms of cost and timing. That means satisfy the customer in respect of right thing at the right price at the right time. Satisfy the customer providing the right thing at the right price at the right time. So these three aspects of customer service, one is specification, cost and timing. So these are the three aspects of customer service: specification, cost and timing. So this table describes the customer service more effectively. Principal customer wants. So it's a principal function, it's a primary consideration, it is other consideration. Principal functions are manufacture, transport, supply, service. These are the principal functions. We will discuss one by one. First of all, principal function, manufacture. So in manufacture, primary consideration is goods of a given requested or acceptable specification. And while manufacturing, the primary consideration is as per customer wants. That means goods of a given requested or acceptable specification manufacturing. Okay. Also other considerations in respect of cost and timing. In respect of cost, purchase price or cost of obtaining goods. In respect of timing, delivery delay from order or request to receipt of goods. So these are other considerations. Next, in respect of transport, primary consideration is movement of a given requested or acceptable specification. Movement of a given requested by the customer or acceptable specification. Other considerations are cost and timing. In respect of cost of movement. In respect of timing, duration or time to move the goods. Second one, wait or delay from requesting to its commencement. So these are the other considerations. Next, third principal function, supply. In respect of supply, primary consideration is goods of a given requested or acceptable specification. So ultimately satisfying the customer want. Next, other consideration in respect of supply, cost and timing. In respect of cost, that is purchase price or cost obtaining goods. In respect of timing, delivery delay from order or request to supply to receipt of goods. Next, fourth principal function, service. The primary consideration is treatment of a given requested or acceptable specification. Other considerations are in respect of cost of treatment, in respect of timing, duration or timing required for treatment, wait or delay from requesting to its commencement. So these are the customer service. Generally, an organization will aim reliably and constantly to achieve certain standards. To service the customer, the organization have certain standards. Managers will influential in attempting to achieve these standards. Next, second objective is resource utilization. Second objective, resource utilization. Utilize resources for the specification of customer wants effectively. So resource utilization means utilize resources. That means materials, machine. So these are resources. Utilize the effectively to satisfy customer wants. Customer service must be provided with the achievement of effective operations. Effective operations through efficient use of resources. Okay. In case of inefficient use of resources, inadequate customer service leads to commercial failure of an operating system. In case of inefficient use of resources, ultimately it results commercial failure of an organization system. Okay. So that means obtaining maximum efficient from resources or minimizing the loss. Maximum effect from resources or minimizing the loss and underutilization or waste. Okay. So utilization of these resources potential expressed in terms of the proportion of available time used or occupied, space utilization, levels of activity. So these are effectively used. Next, achievement of both satisfactory customer service and resource utilization. So achievement of both satisfactory customer service and resource utilization. Generally, both cannot be maximized. So that's why a satisfactory performance must be achieved on both objectives. So generally, both cannot be maximized. So hence, a satisfactory performance must be achieved on both the objectives. So many problems will be forced by operations managers because of this conflict. Hence, operations manager must attempt to balance these basic objectives. We conclude using this table. The twin objectives of operations management. The first one is customer service objective. Second one is resource utilization objective. In respect of customer service objective, to provide agreed adequate levels of customer service. Hence, customer service satisfaction by providing goods or service with a right specification at the right cost and at the right time. So this is the customer service objective. In respect of resource utilization objective, to achieve adequate levels of resource utilization or productivity. For example, to achieve agreed levels of utilization of materials, machines and labor. So this is the resource utilization